And what an amazing moment it must have been. They were sitting there, they already did their cleansing, and now they were preparing to have Passover, and then the rabbi, the teacher, the pastor, if you will, gets up. And he takes a cloth and he gets ready to wash their feet. Takes off their Crocs and see these feet. Daai goede moes so staan, miskien so 'n bietjie veiligheid onder 'n toonaal. I don't know. Cracked heels. And Jesus didn't look at it and go, okay. He took their feet with love. And he washed their feet. Go read in John 13, beautiful part, as he washes their feet. Then Peter says, but Lord, you can't wash my feet, I should wash yours. Hello, yes, you should. But Jesus said, no, I'm here to give you an example. Then he says, but Jesus, don't wash just my feet, all of me. You remember that part? And he says, if you're saved, if you're with me and you've been washed, you are clean. But our feet still get dirty. It reminds us that daily we sin. Daily our feet get dirty. And Jesus says this to them in John 13 verse 14. If then your Lord and teacher have washed your feet, you also ought to wash one another's feet.